The formula: feed and nourish yourself from the truth in my word. Unite my spirit to yours every minute of every day through prayer. Take up your cross and carry it at all times. Set aside your own plans and follow your eternal purpose through the truth in my word. Embrace it and act on what it prompts you to do. Let the truth fill you constantly, and you will be able to bring love and value to others. The more truth you consume, the greater measure of my spirit you will see operating in your life. You will feel compelled and emboldened to act on what my spirit directs you to do. The result of these actions will produce seed for you to sow for yourselves and also to sow into the lives of others. The seed that you sow and nurture will produce a harvest. Through the harvest, you will be blessed and be able to bless others. Now you will be able to save some seed from the fruit of your harvest and use that to produce even more seed that you can plant and distribute to those in need. Now you can use some of the fruit from that seed to store up treasures in heaven by using it for good purpose and blessing others. This is the righteous formula that will lead to you receiving a good report in the kingdom to come.